Hey, it's a nice, semi-sunny, cloudy day. Today, we're changing the oil in the Fusion. I've had this since June 10th, which is about 9 months. And this is the first time I've had it actually on ramps or changed the oil in it. I haven't driven it really a whole lot, and I don't drive it a whole lot, so it doesn't get the miles put on it to need its oil changed. So I don't even know when it was changed, at some point before I got it, but how long, I don't know. So we're going to go ahead and put fresh oil in it, new oil filter, and we should be good to go for another 4,000 or 5,000 miles, however its service interval is. But the light just come on the other day, the last couple of times I drove it, so we're going to go ahead and get it done. And I'm going to start off this oil change just like I've started every other oil change that you've seen me perform. I'm going to go ahead and check its oil level. And it showed right in the crosshatch zone of the dipstick. So it was a safe level that we started with. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the cap. I've always just left the cap off of it. That was always the indicator. No cap, there's no oil in it. And of course I just leave the dipstick out of it for when I do the restart. I can just go ahead and replace the dipstick. Okay, and we'll go ahead and check the other levels. The washer coolant looks full. Radiator level seems good. The brake fluid level looks good. Everything else is looking good so far. Alright, so let's go ahead and head underneath. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and pull the drain. I had to get under here and look at it, see what it was. It looks like it's a 15 millimeter. That's been welded itself on, it seems like. There we go. Well, that was tight. Someone's took a saw and cut this engine cover off. It's supposed to have one like the Escape that my sister has. Alright, we're almost out, and this oil will be hot. I will not drain oil on a cold engine. You're wasting your time. Okay, now I'm going to try my luck at spinning this off by hand. Hey, I can. How about that? Yeah, that's a first. Usually you can't. This was a Mile Guard oil filter. It come from an oil change place. Okay, so the next thing we do is go ahead and get a new filter ready. Boy, they make this stuff harder and harder to get off. Okay. Oh yeah, you can see previously I went ahead and dated it and put the mileage on it like I always do. And I'm just going to put a coat of oil on the seal so it doesn't stick to the block, and it allows the seal to spin, make contact, and to form a seal on the block is the reason why you coat the seal with oil. Okay, and that's really all that needs. 2.5 liter 4-cylinder non-eco boost. Takes the FL 910S. Go ahead and wipe it all down real good. Wipe the plate down. And thread the new one in place. Okay, the oil is just about drained all the way out. It's just a few little trickle left, so I'm going to go ahead and replace the drain plug. Yeah, it's kind of tacky. I think I might order a new engine cover for it. It's good and snug. Yeah, we just pour in the oil. I'm using Castrol Magnatech 5W20. And this complies with Ford spec WSS M2C 945-A. Refill capacity is 5.7 quarts. I only have 5 quarts, so I will have to get that other extra quart first chance that I get. I looked all over for my little yellow funnel. I've had that forever. I've had this funnel for almost 20 years. I'd hate to lose it now. Okay, just get the funnel out of the way. Put the cap on it. The cap is on. We know that there is an amount of oil in the crankcase that it is safe to start. And we'll go ahead and put the dipstick in it. And we have a safe level. Let's go ahead and start it. And while it runs, you can do a quick visual inspect to make sure there's no leaks. And we'll shut it off. It don't take long to make a real mess, I'll tell you. Okay, this is the last thing before we put the hood down, is to check the oil level. And it shows that it's right here at the top of the crosshatch. So are we sure that 5.7 is an actual accurate amount? One more time. Okay, it's right at that first hole. So yes, it will need an additional amount to bring it up. Actually, it's a special day because I changed the oil in my sister's Escape. I use the same oil, 5W20 Magnatech. And hers calls for 4.5 quarts, which gave me a half a quart left over. I remembered that I had it, so I go ahead and pour it in here, and it should top off the crankcase level. Oh yeah, I had to stop for a few hours earlier. When I first started doing this, it started raining. And when the rain cleared, the sun came out, and I looked on TV, and we are now under a severe thunderstorm watch. That wasn't real good. Okay, well, now we're closer to full. Let me see if I can fish that out. No, it didn't hit the ground. It'll be all right. I'll get it here in just a moment. Yeah, it's right in the mid-zone of the crosshatch, right in there. So it is a safe level. All right, reset the oil meter, and this job is done. Oh yeah, fish the funnel out. And the oil reset will actually be in another video. Thanks for watching. I will have to get that other extra quart first chance that I get. I looked all over for my little yellow funnel. I've had that forever. I've had this funnel for almost 20 years. I'd hate to lose it now. Okay, just get the funnel out of the way. Put the cap on it. The cap is on. We know that there is an amount of oil in the crankcase that it is safe to start. And we'll go ahead and put the dipstick in it. And we have a safe level. Let's go ahead and start it.